You can't hear the engine.
This is like a new view.
Naninibago daw si Mr. i-drive itong aking sasakyan dahil electric po kasi ito, yung sa kanya ay gas at pinapa-oil change niya ngayon at iyon ang lakad namin ngayon, pick upin yung kanyang sasakyan. I'm going to drop off my husband to pick up his car. O, diba? My car doesn't need oil change. At syempre, hindi mawawala yung kantsawan. Kaya kinakantsawan ko pa si Mister. At aba, gumanti.
Welcome my home! I really like this. I really this. Welcome my home! Stop it, you do that to me.
I know, I'm getting old. Why can't you respect that?
I'm living in a circus.
Madali na. Manervyos. I get scared easily. That's a sign of aging, isn't it?
You just have a situation with letting other people have control. I'm controlling the car, and so it's giving you anxiety.
Yeah, but you are swerving it. You think you're like still a teenager.
Watch this.
Or not teenager
See this
anymore.
vehicle up here?
No, seriously, Michael.
Oh.
It's not.
You're gonna do.
Your blinker lady.
Where you go? She doesn't have any hair. She's like a porcupine. Did you see that?
She's old. Be nice. Oh, there's a pregnant lady.
What does this lady do? Yeah, walk the walk. No, sorry, pregnant lady.
Ayan tuloy sa katatawa namin. Tiningnan kami ng masama nung tumatawid na buntis na babae. Akala siguro siya ang pinagtatawanan. I don't want to offend anybody.
Huh?
Itago ko muna itong camera.
Turn that off.
No, that's why I put it down. They might think I'm videoing them. But we're just having fun.
Are we?
Right, Matthew? Ang sungit na ano. He has an attitude. As soon as he wakes up, he has an attitude. I think he's the one having a menopause. Hindi ako.
What? I'm not a woman.
Oh. No, this is not where I went.
Thank
it's
you,
in
guys.
the other one.
Well, they got Honda Civic
But
on
they
here.
still have my information.
You good to go? Okay.
Yeah.
See ya.
I have my key. Bye bye. Bye, baby. Aww. So, ayan guys, ako na ang mag-drive. Pauwi. Siguro pwede ko na siyang iwan. Nandun siya guys, oh. Should we go home now or should we wait for him? So he said we can go. Let's go. What street is this? Ayan. Kabisado ko po ang daan pero hindi ko po kabisado ang mga pangalan ng street. Ako lang ba ang ganito guys? Comment down below. So yun po guys, nakita nyo naman ganito lang ang aming simpleng pamumuhay dito sa Amerika bilang mga simpleng pamilya. Ang buhay talaga namin dito ay minsan masaya, minsan malungkot, minsan wala lang. Paminsan-minsan may kantsawan, may konting sigawan, at may konting asaran. Siyempre hindi maiwasan, paminsan-minsan may tinutopak, tulad ko, mainit at malamig ang ulo, at paminsan-minsan din merong nagsusungit tulad ng anak ko, pero madalas masayahin naman yung anak ko. At siyempre, hindi maiwasan yung asawa ko rin. May mood swing din yan, katulad ko. Pero ito lang ang masasabi ko guys, normal lang sa pamilya ang mga ganitong bagay. Ang mahalaga, nandoon ang pagmamahalan. At syempre, ang sentro ng buhay ng pamilya dapat ay si Kristo. Kung agree ka, mag-amen ka. Paki-chat mo na lang sa baba. I like driving on weekends.
Huh?
Kasi hindi masyadong easy ang road. So paano ba yan guys? Hanggang dito na lang muna ang aking kwento. At kwentuhan ulit tayo sa aking mga susunod na uploads. Kaya kung bago ka lang dito sa aking channel or page, i-follow mo na ako para kita-kits ulit tayo. And as I always say, thank you so much for your time watching my video. And always remember, Mommy Sonic loves you all.